I need some herbs because I hate bland food. And, well, this is the best place to get them in Baños, in my opinion. There are cheaper ways to do it, but this stuff is good. Let's see. Just a quick look. For the low price of $3.30, I have the most essential spices that I need to be happy. I don't like bland food. I like it quite spicy. Like, think Indian or Mexican. Yeah, and those are the spices that figure in heavy into my diet. Now I'm going to visit the Mercado. Mostly all I need today is ajo and ají, that being garlic and hot peppers. So I got 25 cents worth of fresh hot peppers and 25 cents worth of fresh garlic. And now I need a few more essentials like a glass I broke and a couple other things at the grocery store, like toilet paper, stuff you can't get at the Mercado. Rather than buy bottled water, I'm gonna boil water and then put it in the fridge so I can have cold water. And then I'm gonna get a glass to replace one I broke, and a couple other items of similar use. So this haul was less than 20 bucks, and well, with some important things I needed or forgot, or broke and had to replace. But now I should be set to make some really yummy meals, very cheap. This will all pay for itself rapidly. And I've also been trying to get over some local allergies. There's some mold or something that's kind of aggravating me. So I've been feeling like crap the last day or so. I have lots of mint tea. And now I have garlic, which will help too, and the hot peppers. Maybe it was just the lack of the things I really like that are causing this problem. Anyway, it's a lull in the videos. Might be because I'm taking it a little easy. So, no big deal. I'm fine. I'll make some more videos. If there's something particular you would like to see here in Baños, hey, leave me a comment or send me an email or message.